Doug.
How are you?
Good.
I'm a little shaky today. Because it's a little strange in here.
It is.
Yeah? What is this?
Well, this is your first photo shoot.
Oh, no, what is this?
Oh, I'm sorry. This is a Cookie Crunchers.
Oh, they give those to me. That Becky girl, she gives those to me.
I know. They give you treats out there, don't they?
Yeah, it's pretty fun down there.
And you're going to get treats in your new home.
Oh, you think so?
Mm-hmm.
Well, only when I'm a good boy, huh?
Oh, you will be nothing but.
Oh, so I won't ever be a bad boy and poop and pee and chew?
Well, yeah, maybe.
Oh.
Yeah.
But I won't know any better. Someone's got to teach me.
Well, they do, and it will happen.
Yep.
Because you are just a work in progress right now.
I'm a big work in progress. Because look how big I am.
I heard you were heavy.
Yeah, there's this girl carrying me, and she said I weighed 75 pounds. I think she might be over-exaggerating. She's good at that.
Yes, she is.
But, you know, I am pretty heavy for a little guy.
You are.
Yep, big boned.
Oh, okay. Well, we got to go.
Well, we'll see you later.
Okay, bye.
Bye.